Using conditional formatting. With conditional formatting, particular format attributes are applied only if a certain condition is met. For example, you might want unsafe values to show up in bright red, or if you're an engineer in charge of quality control, you might want off-spec values to be highlighted so they are easy to spot. Now typically when you're looking at using an Excel sheet, you'll have a lot more values than what I have up on the screen. Like here you can actually look through them visually and find values over a certain number. But if your Excel sheet is 1,000 rows by 1,000 columns, you're definitely going to need some help. So let's go ahead and look at this example on the screen with temperature data. Now let's say we want to highlight all the cells that are strictly greater than 248, which we determined to be our max allowed temperature. So the first thing you want to do, as with almost every option in Excel, we select the cells that we're concerned with. We go to our Home tab, and in the Styles group, we click on Conditional Formatting. Drop-down menu appears. We want to highlight Cells Rules, and for our specific example, we're choosing greater than. Notice we have other options also. So we click greater than, and it says format cells that are greater than what number. Well, remember, Excel tries to help us, so it actually calculated the average of those cells for us, but that's not what we want. We want cells greater than 248. So you can either type in 248 or go ahead and use the value that we've already typed in cell E1. Then it gives us a couple options on how to highlight it. And notice also it's giving us a quick preview of the cells that are greater than 248. If we click on the drop down menu, we can determine other different formatting, along with a custom format if we want. But we'll go ahead and stay with the light red fill with dark red text. OK, notice now the cells that are strictly greater than 248 are highlighted. Notice cell in D15, 248 is not. Remember, because we did strictly greater than 248. Let's go ahead and remove our formatting. To do that, you click on Conditional Formatting again, Clear Rules, and then Clear Rules from the selected cells. Let's go back to Conditional Formatting. Let's go ahead and do our formatting now for greater than or equal to 248. If we go to Highlight Cells rule, that's not one of our options. So let's go down to More Rules. Now we can format cells, cell value, greater than, but if we click the drop down arrow, now we have the option greater than or equal to. And we can still click on our cell E1, or you could type in the value in that box. The format, well, we have to select the format now. Let's go ahead and highlight them in yellow. So, OK. And notice now the cells greater than or equal to 248 are now highlighted in yellow. And again, to clear any formatting, select your cells, go back to Conditional Formatting, Clear Rules, and then Clear Rules from selected cells.